In this video, I want to spend just a few minutes talking about the plan for the course in this Intersession format. The most important thing to say, of course, is that we're going to be squeezing an entire semester, 16-week course into less than 4 weeks. So that means you're going to have to be spending a lot more time per day on this course than you might in a full semester course. And so the due dates are going to be coming up very quickly, so you have to stay right on top of things. And I will try to also remind you constantly if it seems like you're falling behind a little bit. But what I want to do just for a few minutes is walk you through some of the things that you can expect from the course this Intersession semester. Here's the home page, right? You've already seen it, obviously, if you're here. There are tabs over here. There's a calendar tab, which is very important. Announcements. This is where you'll find your grades. This is a technical help spot. And the first of many tabs that you'll see here for content material. So I'll show you quickly the Constitutional Democracy tab. And I'll show you how many there will be, 14, I think, more that I will add in the next couple of days, and give you a sense of how this is going to be organized. Let me show you the calendar real fast. You can see here a discussion board coming up due this Thursday in 2 days. First post and second post. There are 3 discussion boards here, here, and here. There are 3 exams here, here, and here, and 2 papers due here and here. Also 2 wikis, which are leading up to the paper, that are due here and here. So I've tried to put the most important due dates here for you. There are also other quizzes and activities that you'll be doing. All of that work will be due here, here, and here, so as a bulk. Of course, you don't want to wait until the 10th to do the work that you need to do for these various chapters, but this is when the content will disappear. I'm going to be pretty strict about deadlines in this course, and so when a due date passes, the content will disappear, and you'll lose your chance to do that material, so we need to really stay on top of things. Alright, so let me take you back to the home page. I want to show you the syllabus very quickly. Let's see, here is the syllabus. My information here. I'm going to hold online office hours via Zoom during these 3 hours per week. I'll set up a Zoom, and there'll be an available link for you, and I'll be sending out an announcement with that information, and also posting information about how to use Zoom. It's really easy, so that'll be something to look forward to. Objectives and all that stuff. Here's the textbook. Let me know very quickly if you have any questions. You should have the textbook already, given a short course as we're going to have. If you don't have it in your hand yet, it is in the library, many copies on reserve, or you need to order it overnight mail quickly, or get it from the bookstore. Alright, here's the activities, the way that the grade is going to be set up. 1,000 points here, 22% of your grade from all these quizzes and activities, 18% from 3 exams, 40% from 2 papers, and 18% from 3 discussion boards. So that gives you a sense of how important the various weights are. Of course, the paper is very important. The course is set up. Let me just quickly point out, drop deadline is just in 2 days, January 5th. So you better make sure you know if you want to stay in the course. If you don't, drop before that date so you can get your money back. January 18th is the withdraw deadline. after that, I'll have to give you a letter grade. Schedule for the course. There are 3 sections, and all the work is going to be kind of blocked together in these 3 sections. First section, the Constitution, federalism, equal rights, and civil liberties. And here are all the due dates for these various chapters. Second section, public opinion and participation, policies. Here are all the due dates and the 3 branches and due dates. Now, the paying attention to these dates will be helpful by using the calendar. I will also be posting information about all the assignments in these tabs, so you'll see a tab for each one of these appearing in the next few days. You can already see the Constitutional Democracy tab. There'll be one for federalism. All right, so let me take you to that tab for Constitutional Democracy. So I'll start off each section with just a general, here's what this is about, here's what you need to prepare, and this is what the work includes. So here there's a quiz, a discussion board, and also for each of these weeks you'll see some videos here with lectures about the material. So this is in place of being in class, giving you some more detailed explanation of the material. And of course this stuff will show up in your quizzes, activities, and exams. So here's the lectures, and here's the discussion assignment. First discussion board assignment explaining how to do it. First post is due January 5th. Second post January 6th. They'll all be set up this way. First post will be blind. You'll post it without being able to see anybody else's posts. And then the second post is you responding to another student. Okay, and a couple of videos about that discussion assignment. And then when I post it, you'll see a link here for the quiz for this material. So these activities, quizzes, like I said, is worth about 22% of the grade. Let me just take you quickly to the technical help section. Some video tutorials here. I will be posting one having to do with Zoom probably by the end of tomorrow so that you can see that. I will be available for questions. Of course, send me any questions that you have. And if there are questions that I think other students need to know about, I will put an announcement. I'll also put a place where you can post general questions to other students in the discussion board section. I'll put a tab here for that so that you can just communicate with other students in the class. All right, so that's going to be our course for the semester, and I look forward to it.